Hi. Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to convert image to PDF without metadata using PDF.co and Zapier. You can see the link to the full tutorials in the description box below. Come and visit PDF.co for more info. We will use this sample image document and will convert it into a PDF without leaving any metadata. So without any further ado, let's get started. First, log into your Zapier account and click on the Create Zap button. Next, search and select the Google Drive app. You can also use other file storage service which you wish to retrieve the image file. Then choose the new file and folder to trigger when a new file is added to a folder. Now connect your Google Drive account to Zapier. It will authorize Zapier to grant an access to your Google Drive account. Let's set up the Google Drive configuration. First, select My Google Drive as the drive to be used. Next, enter the name of the specific folder where your source file is located. After setting up the configuration, let's test the trigger to fetch the file from Google Drive folder. Once the test trigger was successful, let's add another app and convert image file to PDF without leaving any metadata. In the next step, we will add the PDF.co app and choose the Anything to PDF Converter option to convert image file to PDF format. Now, connect your PDF.co account to Zapier by adding the API key. You can obtain the API key from your PDF.co dashboard. Let's set up the configuration. In the Input Type field, choose Link to Image or multiple links to multiple images with a comma as a separator option. This option ensures that images are converted to PDFs in the correct order. For the Input field, select the Web Content link from your Google Drive and specify the name for your output PDF file. After setting up the PDF.co configuration, click the Test Action button to see the result. We successfully converted the image file into a PDF. Kindly copy the URL and paste it into your browser to view the output. Here is the converted PDF output from the image file. Now we'll add another app to verify that there is no metadata in the converted PDF and select the PDF.co app. And choose the Custom API Call option to make a custom call to PDF.co API. Let's set up the Custom API Call configuration. In the PDF.co API endpoint field, search and select the PDF info endpoint. This endpoint will provide detailed information on the PDF document, including its properties and security permissions. In the URL input parameter override field, select the output URL of the converted PDF. Now, let's send the custom API call to PDF.co to process our request. PDF.co successfully process our request and get detailed information from the PDF document. We have a lot of tutorials that you can check on our PDF.co website. You may also visit our YouTube channel. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to stay updated with our latest videos. Thank you for watching.